Hello guys, welcome back to another channel. Today we're at Solihull on the Chiltern main line. We're being served by Chiltern Railways, Western Railway and cross country. We did miss one cross country when we were just by the car. We missed the cross country that came past from York to Reading, but here comes a Voyager from Reading to Newcastle. This is our first train. Newcastle! From Reading to Newcastle, cross country Voyager, be sent by Western Railway and Chiltern Railways, and that's the only cross country because we missed one earlier. But let's see, we should arrive to and pass by here at Solihull and we'll catch some flights as well. Turning up now is the Western Railway Service 2. This is the Dulwich almost to Fulgate Street, B31. to Dulwich almost to Fulgate Street. And then we got another Western Railway service turning up. I don't know if it's here yet. Should be here from Dulwich to Fulgate Street. I don't know if it's here yet, but I found this one it departs. Going to point out 172-333 I think it was, and 343. I thought the front number was 343 on the rear of that one. For the Western Railway service from Worcester, Fulgate Street to Dulwich. Next up for that will be Whitty Manor. And then when it will terminate at Dulwich. Not too sure what the front number was. I did say in the first bit of the clip. So then, I've got it still. Here's the Western Railway service from Dulwich to Fulgate Street. I think it's off. Is it off or it's pulling in? I can't read that number. If I zoom in, what number can that be? I don't know what number that can be, but I'll film it when it departs and see what numbers they are. Goes point out the Western Railway for Dulwich to Fulgate Street via Birmingham, Snow Hill, Starbridge Junction in Kidderminster. Fulgate Street. I think that's a 218 on the front. I think that's a 218. Fulgate Street. 219. On the rear is 172-339 to Fulgate Street from Dulwich, West Midlands Railway. Turning up now to Chiltern Railways episodes from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. And there was meant to be another Chiltern to Moor Street, but that got cancelled. So then here's 216. Marylebone. Nice details from the driver there. On the Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. From when it departs. Going to point now is 182-16 on the Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone via Lambton Spa. Marylebone, working the Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone, 216. It said about what was cancelled. The Chiltern said it got cancelled due to something. I don't know if it was due to train crew. I don't know what it was. But there goes the Chiltern. Next up for that is Dulwich. Then White Parkway. Then Warwick. Then Lambton Spa, Banbury, Bicester North, Haddam Parkway, Prince's Whisper. Then I think it's straight to London. I don't know what stations after that. But there's the Chiltern Turbo. Passing through now is a West Midlands Railway. I think it might be a 172. I don't know what it is. I think it's a 172. It's a 172 running empty coach from Dulwich to Tardy LMD. Look how fast this train's going. Run it, 3, 4, 3. said 331 on their return. They're running empty now to tie the LMD. They ran Worcester Street to Dodge, and now they've ran empty coaches from Dodge to tie the LMD. Westmoreland Railways. Know what the real one is now.